Guys. Man, I know it's been a while since I recorded a video, especially my TikTok. It's been like a month. I just really been going through it with trading, man. Like the markets really started to humble me and stuff. Like, look, if you look at these performance stats from the last month, man, it's really bad. Like, really bad. Like, I'm taking too many like trades after I lose. I wasn't hopping off the charts, and I would just keep on draining my money until I reached my daily loss limit, which I luckily set for myself because if I didn't set that for myself, I'd probably blown this funded account already. So I'm starting to realize that trading is not something that's easy and it's something that's gonna take time to get better at and master. And this whole week, there probably should have been at least 2 days where I took in a trade. These two days, Monday and Tuesday, were probably the only days where I had an actual setup. These days I was just gambling. And if you look on it, I think on Monday I started off in profit and then I was like only $200. I need to make more than that. That's what my mindset was. Like trading, you cannot allow greed to get to you. And that's what I've been doing. I've been letting the money get to me and not learning the actual skill. It's not learning the actual skill itself. And like I was so mad this week. I stopped journaling my trades, and I don't know why I stopped. I need to keep going because I can't just make recaps or like journal my trades that are winners. I gotta understand my losses and stuff. And my losses, I really wasn't even trading the way that I trade. Um, I'll probably make a video on the way that I've been trading. I'll kind of explain it in this video, but I'll go over today's trade. So hourly, we are very overextended. And we had the SMT right here from a previous day to now that we had the same SMT um from over here to here. I just made it a line if you really look at it right here. NQ's making higher, and then Nasdaq not Nasdaq, ES is making lower, so that's partially why I went bearish today. And also, if you still look at the hourly, we do also have bearish SMTs over here. And I was just looking for draws on liquidity. Right here is a draw on liquidity. Right here is a draw on liquidity. Right here, everything for me was telling me to go bearish. I just needed to find a setup. So the strategy that I've been trading, it's not really like a model or anything. I literally just trade wherever my bias is into equilibrium retrace into some sort of confluence. That's what's been working for me. Very simple. Like SMT's daily bias is bearish. So what am I looking for? I'm scaling down to the smaller time frames, and I'm just looking for equilibrium retrace into um. Why am I freezing? Equilibrium retrace into like an order block, fair value gap, whatever, or inversing a fair value gap. Improve this. So wait, I need to see. Hold up. I need to see what my stop loss. So stop take profit was at right here. All right. So oh shit, that doesn't help. So I'm delete it anyway. Here, right here, right around here. Okay. So coming to market open, like I said, we had all those SMTs before. I don't have them here on NQ. Um, I'll try to. I can't. So SMT, then we also had a smaller SMT right here. Dad just wanted to push short while ES did it. And we did have a equilibrium. Dang, I don't know where my equilibrium was. I'll find it. So we had equilibrium from this high to, oh, here it is. I'm not tweaking about right here. But first we had an equilibrium right here to right here, and it tapped into, but it tapped into the gap, and it probably would have faked a lot of people out, and then retrace into the gap. So I had my 5 minute. Oh my gosh. Huh. I had my 5 minute. Sorry, 5 minute order block, not 5 minute fair value gap aligned with my equilibrium. So I was waiting for confirmation to go short once we tapped into that gap. And I'm pretty sure after we did, I entered right out of we as we breaked out of that gap, but price ended up going a little bit into my profit and then retracing back up. And that scared me a little bit. So when I get scared like that in trades, I literally just get up and don't look at my trade and just walk around because I knew I was going to do something stupid. So I think I risked about $180 on this trade, and I had my first take profit right here. What the GT 500? All right. Anyway, I had my first take profit right. Oh, it's Alt J. So I right here at this low, and we smashed that. So once that, um, I moved my stop to break even, and then my second take profit was at this low, and then why do I keep doing that? My second take profit was at this low, and then my third TP was at this low, but every time on my final TP, I always get edged. So I've kind of put it like up here, something like that. See how that lines up. Yeah, so at that low, or I was probably more up here. And about like a 1 to 5 RR. And I've been noticing with a lot of my trades is that my risk to reward, like I could go for higher RRs because the way that I trade most of my trades, once they're in drawdown for a little bit, they're most likely a loser. But even this one, I was in drawdown, I didn't lose. But I'm just saying, like the majority of my trades that are in drawdown, I feel like they lose. So I usually like going for a higher RR and not a lower one. But that's just me. 1 RR is good. 1 2 RR is good. Anything is good. It's just how you manage your risk. And since I go for a high IR, I have different take profits. So like this take profit one was at a 1 to 2 RR, and this one was at like a 1 to 4, and then this one is at like a 1 to 5. So that was my trade recap for today. You know what? Do I go over my trade recap from yesterday? All right, man. Let's go over my trade recap from yesterday. Trading literally the exact same strategy. 8:30 market open. Uh, Alpi. So get rid of this. Coming into market open, initially I was bearish, I think, because see, I didn't even journal this trade. I'm getting really lazy with myself, man. Um, I didn't. I was bearish because I think that we had swept liquidity. Did we? See, I don't even know because I didn't journal my trades, bro. Like, this is why I gotta stop. I might have been bearish because we had this gap and we had this new week open gap after overextending to the upside. And That's just my guess, man. I really gotta get myself in check. But anyway, I see I don't even know what to do. I don't know what I'm doing. But 8:30 opens and I think I screenshotted it. Hold on. I'll be right back. I screenshotted my trade, so I'm gonna look at it real quick. Uh Run away like poop. What is going on? Am I recording still? Control pause, right? Right? Oh shit. How do I pause it? Right? What is this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the hell? Alright, I gotta pause the recording. Where is See, I haven't done this in so long, bro. I gotta relax. Where is the pause, bro? Um, um, settings, hotkeys. Where's pause? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm recording YouTube video right now. Like, uh, bro, what is going on, bro? I can't. All right, please don't make me type in my password. Okay, anyway, let me just go to my photos. Dude, I'm struggling right now. Photos. I'll call you back. Give me like 10 minutes. What? What? Okay. Uh, Screenshots, right? Dude, I don't know how to pause the recording. So you guys got to bear with me. What's going on, bro? I'm gonna have to edit this out. It usually says pause recording. Oh, looks like I'm about to edit this out anyway. Hotkeys. Alt P. Pause recording. Why is it not working? Oh, this is stupid. Oh, here we go. Here's the trades. I screenshotted it. Um, oh, here we go. Okay. All right, now I know what trades I took. Okay, that took a minute. That took a minute. Um, okay. So, w- why is this in percents? Why is my in, there's too much going on right now. There's so much. Why? I'm about to stress out. I'll fix this after I'm done, bro. I'm about to have a crash out moment. I promise. I'm so close to crashing out right now, bro. Now my chart's moving weird. What is this? And why am I in percents? All right, bro. Gonna edit this part out. Um, oh my gosh. Get this out of here. Oh my gosh. I was so close. Okay, we're back. I'm still mad as hell. Anyway, now I know what trade I was gonna take. Coming into market open, I'm I was bullish. Actually, I wasn't bearish. Actually, my confidences, I was probably mixed. I was between bullish and bearish. So my bias was mixed. So, let's look at the 5 minute. Wait a minute, I think is where it was. So we had this hourly gap. Um, and had this hourly gap. Why is my chart always being difficult right now? So this is where I was looking to because at this hourly gap we had equilibrium. Right, right. Yeah, from the swing low to the swing high, equilibrium, and then once we retraced into this gap, um, I see this is where I messed up. I didn't know news was at 9 o'clock, so I took this trade without knowing about news. I was on the wrong date. Once we retraced into this gap, and we showed hard rejection, um, I went long right here. And my targets were up here. Then I come back and I find out I was stopped at break even because after we broke above this high, I went to break even. And we came down, broke my high. And I got confused because I didn't know there's news. So once it drew back down, we created SMT right here with ES. And that's when I went long again after this SMT happened, targeting this high right here. And my stop was very tight. It was like right, the stop was literally right below this low. So, because if we went below that low, we would have invalidated the SMT and my trade wouldn't have made no sense. So, that's my win that I took yesterday. So, literally, SMT equilibrium, fair value gap, bro. That's all I use. Order block too. I don't know, but that's my trade recaps for the past 2 days, bro. I gotta edit this video now because that took way too long. See ya.